Okay, so I'm gonna use surprise, this is a drunk get ready with me. How does this open? Like, what? But oh my gosh, I'm a mess. Okay. Yeah, they make blah. Dude, I should not have drank before this. I can't see shit. Alright, I gotta get it together for like 10 more minutes. What percentage is this? 12.5. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my going to work makeup / everyday makeup look, because your girl's working every day, let's be honest. So if you guys want to see my everyday makeup look, then just keep watching. Not bad. Shout out Ava Grace. All right. So it's probably like 20 other things I should be doing right now. I gotta work in the morning first off, so I should be sleeping. I should pack, I should probably put all my laundry away, get ready for the week. So yeah, I figured instead of doing everything I'm supposed to be doing right now, I would just show you guys how I do my makeup for work every day. So first things first, I start off with like my skincare stuff, and I usually like mix my skincare together because I'm always in a hurry. So I'm gonna mix my daytime moisturizer and my B5 serum. Then I'm going to use the eye brightening cream. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And I don't like press it into my skin like I usually do. I just I'm always in a hurry, so I just rub it in. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. I just like dot this everywhere. It's literally how I do my makeup in the morning because I'm in a hurry. And I'm taking the Morphe M439. I'm just gonna buff it all out. I like this one because it's a big brush, so it takes less time to kind of blend it out everywhere. You know, the quicker the better. Then taking the yellow Juno & Co. Velvet Sponge. I use like the flat back side of it, or the bottom side of it, I guess. And just kind of smooth it all out. And I wet this with like hot water because, I don't know, I just feel like it makes the makeup melt more into your skin. Maybe? I don't know. Okay, and then usually I use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, but it's time for something new. So I picked up the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer. Never tried this, so we're gonna see how it works together. That's such fancy packaging for a concealer. That was like $4. Oh good, look at all that extra space. You can fit 2 concealers in there. Why not give us 2? Okay, and I just kind of, ooh.
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
So I usually don't put this much because on the Maybelline Fit Me, they put, like when you dip it in, the littlest amount comes out, which I like. So I usually don't use this much. And then just taking a blending brush, I'm gonna blend that out. Oh my god, I actually love this concealer. I got it was like $4.
You got some concealer? Okay.
What up? Do you love my setup?
She got the light on all angles.
I actually like love this concealer. Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer, which I agree, and it doesn't feel like the Tarte Shape Tape, how it's like full coverage, but it's fucking hella thick. Flower Beauty's like a slim thick. Okay. So this is also something I don't really do every day. I did it this morning and Joe liked it, so we're gonna do it again. is gonna turn into everyday. I use the NYX Tame and Frame Tinted Brow Pomade on like the inner part of my eyebrows, and then I use this one on the outer part. Then I'm gonna take the CoverGirl pomade. Why do we get like out of breath easily whenever we drink? It's from California. Oh my god, it was meant to be. And next I just set everything. I take my Juno sponge again and just like dip it in there. And I put it everywhere I put concealer. I like bake, but I only like bake for like 2 seconds. I hate the look of powder on my freaking eyelashes. It like scares me. What do I do next? Okay, next I quickly bronze. I say quickly, like if I'm, y'all know I'm in a hurry in the mornings. I already said that. Taking the E.L.F. Ultimate Blending Brush and the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And then I just take this brush, use the same bronzer, and I just do like a line outwards and then blend it into my crease. Okay, then I take my blush. This is the Note Luminous Silk Compact Blusher in the color Desert Rose. And then I usually just take like whatever highlighter is sitting in front of me. This one was in my bag, so I'm just gonna use this one. This is the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan highlighter in the shade Glow Up. And then I'm using a Morphe Y14 brush. So usually this is the point where I decide if I want to do eyeliner or not. So if I didn't do eyeliner, I'd just like pop some lashes on, put on some balm, and peace out. But whenever I do eyeliner, I use these E.L.F. Line and Define eye tape. These make it super quick and easy for you to do eyeliner. So I put it on the back of my hand first because I don't want it to like rip my foundation off. Obviously try to make sure they're like straight. Okay, so I'm just going to take my NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner. It honestly doesn't matter how messy you are with this because the tape is gonna save you. So I just kind of go for it. Deep breath, okay, and go. Okay, so this is what we got. Does it look even on camera? I mean, it's not even, but okay, so usually the wings are not this intense and long, but I usually don't drink wine in the morning, so. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the Voluminous Curved Brush Mascara. And if I'm in like a rush, then I just like, that's it, I call it a day. But usually I try to wake up in time to pop on some lashes. Okay, I'm gonna use the Kiss eyelash glue. This eyelash glue has aloe in it, so I feel like maybe it's like not as bad for you. Could be wrong, but whatever. So the ones that I've been loving lately are the E.L.F. Luxe Lash Kit. I'm just gonna pop these on off camera and I'll be right back. I'm tired. I'm gonna keep going. I'm already like, this is the light at the end of the tunnel, you know what I mean? Oh my god, there's still half of this left. Oh my god. No. My fan died. And then to finish off, usually I'll take this liquid moisturizer, but on the days where I feel like extra dry, I'll take this Pearlescence Rose Water Hydrating Face Mist. Okay, and this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys recreate this look, be sure to tag me in any pictures and comment down below your social media so that I can follow you and see how you recreated this. You know, we started this on camera, might as well finish it on camera. Ooh, it's kind of like Tilted or whatever. Wet n Wild Photo Focus Finish. Wet n Wild Oh, it matches. CoverGirl Pomade. CoverGirl? CoverGirl. CoverGirl? Maybelline. CoverGirl. Luminous So Compact Blush Shirt. Excuse me.
Fuck. Shit. This is just comedy.